Good day everyone, I've got this king size bed frame here for an unboxing and review. Here's a look at everything. This is everything that came in the box. We got a couple of these number ones here. This looks like it's some kind of fold out piece. So 2 number ones there, and then a similar piece. It's like a fold out piece too. This is number 8, so there's only one of these. A whole bunch of number 6s. I'm guessing that these are going to be the cross members. They're thin. So I've got quite a few of those. 2 number 5s, like maybe 3/4 by 3/4 square tube. 4 pieces of number 4s. We got our screws, fasteners over here. And we got 2 number 2 pieces. It's got like a corner thing welded on them. The number 3 pieces, which are the opposite of the number 2s, facing the other way. Then 2 number 7s. Those have a little slot at the top, some holes in the middle. Get this thing set up. Okay, step 1. First thing we're going to do is take our piece number 4s. I'm going to secure those to the piece number 7s. I'm going to do that twice, 2 of them, with fasteners G. Okay, I've got piece 4 and 7. Same thing here. I got this one out because I want to show you something. But 4, piece 7, and 4. So out of these 2 ends, you've got the end right there with the hole on the top and bottom. You got 2 there. So this is going to go that way. The side with the hole is going to go here, because the fasteners are going to come down through the top of here, fasteners G, and thread right into here, holding these into place. Okay, the next step here is we're going to put piece 2 and 3 on both ends, on opposite ends. And it's going to be in there with fasteners A and B. Okay, now for this next step here, as I mentioned, pieces 2 and 3. So here's piece 3 right there, and that's going to go, see these 2 holes there? That's going to line up with these 2 here. So it's just going to slide right underneath there. And we're going to put fasteners A and B there. Same thing here for piece number 2. It's just going to go right under here. And fasteners A and B are going to go in there as well. Okay, and here's fasteners A and fasteners B. So we'll go ahead and pull these out of there. Okay, here's a look at fasteners A and B and how these go together. So you can see this is the screw, and then this is the sleeve that it's going to go to. So you're going to fasten each side of this. You're going to need 2 Allen wrenches, 1 for each side. We'll screw them both together through the bed frame. So don't fret if there's a little gap here. We're going to go ahead and put A down in here, and then B is going to come up and thread into there. Okay, here's the next step. We're going to take our piece 1s here. These are the pieces we already have together. This was our piece 4 and 7s there. Now we're just going to take this piece 1, 2 of them, and unfold them and secure them to the ends there with piece number D, fasteners D. Okay, so for up here, kind of reoriented everything. So here's our piece 4s and 7s, and then piece 3 and 2 there. And it's the same thing on the other end here. This is going to be basically the front and the back. Now our sides, this is piece 1 that I just folded out. That's going to connect to our front and back there with piece fasteners D. Okay, and here's fasteners D right there. Just fits right down into that corner there. And then the fasteners will go in over here. All right, taking another look at this corner here. So it's a perfect fit up here, but sometimes I had to loosen this up just a little bit to slide this piece in order to screw these in. So it's really tight, but that's good. That means there's not going to be a lot of slop in there, but again, you might just have to loosen these up, slide that in there, and retighten them up again. Okay, here's where we're at so far. Just got basically the square made. So now the next step, we only have a couple more steps left. That far piece there, we're going to unfold it and put it right up the middle. And then those little pieces are the slats that go in every so often. So next step, after we got everything tightened up, piece number 8, we're gonna unfold it. Okay, there it is. We got the middle piece in now. And it's gonna get fastened right here on the end with piece number F, with fasteners F. Right down through there, one there. The other one's gonna go right down here. Here's fastener F, just gonna go right down through there. Okay, that one's in. All right, here's our next step. It's gonna be these 2 little pieces that go right in here. Another couple of piece 5s with 4 fastener C's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Piece 5's just gonna sit right on there. And right in the middle there too. All right, there's progress so far. So we got our piece 5s in there now. So now we're gonna take these pieces and just slap them in. They're like the slats. Okay, there we go, that's it. It's a nice metal sturdy bed frame, king size. We're gonna go ahead and put stuff underneath the legs here just to keep it from denting the carpet too bad, but really happy with the way this thing went together.